Welcome to episode 26. So, Key Sensei, in our last episode, I finally made it out of the airport like a pro, but my next hurdle is always arriving at the hotel completely exhausted, carrying heavy bags, and trying to check in without looking completely lost.
Ah, yes. Arriving at the hotaru after a long flight is the best feeling, but checking in can be tricky. In Japanese, hotel is hotaru, and to check in is simply check-in suru. When you walk up to the front desk, you can just start with that. Let's practice these two katakana words. Try saying hoteru. And now check-in.
Okay, so I walk up to the desk. I'm guessing they'll need my ID or something right away, just like at the airport?
Exactly. They will politely ask for your passport. Remember from last time? They will say, "Passport wo onegai shimasu." To be polite back, when you hand it to them, you can say "Hai douzo," which means "here you go." It's a very useful and common phrase.
Oh, hi dozo. I've heard that in restaurants too. So it's just a general phrase for handing something over?
Spot on, Leo. Hai douzo is perfect whenever you hand over your passport, credit card, or reservation confirmation. Let's practice. First, what the staff will say. "Passport wo onegai shimasu." And now your polite response. "Hai douzo."
Got it. Hi dozo, while handing over the passport. Now the moment of truth, getting the room key so I can finally go collapse on the bed. What do they call the key?
We use the word kagi for key. Sometimes they say rumu key, which is from room key. But kagi is the traditional word. When they hand it to you, they will say, "Oheya no kagi desu," meaning, "Here is your room key."
What if I lose it or need to ask for it at the front desk later? How would I ask, where is my key, using our doko desu ka phrase?
You're getting so good at this. You would just say, "Kagi wa doko desu ka?" Excellent thinking. Now, let's practice. First, just the word for key, kagi. And now the full question. Kagi wa doko desu ka?
Perfect. I've got my kagi, but now I look around and the lobby is huge. I need to find the elevator before my arms drop off from holding these bags.
Ah, yes. You need the elevator. You see, Leo, many modern words in Japanese are borrowed from English, so they sound very similar. And if you can't see it, just ask the staff. "Elevator wa doko desu ka?" Let's practice. First, elevator, elevator. Now, asking for it. "Elevator wa doko desu ka?" Before you go up to your room to relax, Leo, let's do a quick hotel survival check. Ready? Round 1. I'll say the English. You think of the Japanese. Hotel. Hoteru. Check-in. Check-in. K. Kagi. Elevator. Elevator. Great. Round 2. Hotel. Hoteru. Check-in. Check-in. K. Kagi. Elevator. Elevator. Last round. Hotel. Hoteru. Check-in. Check-in. Key. Kagi. Elevator. Elevator.
I feel way more confident now. Next stop, the elevator, room 404, and a well-deserved nap. Thanks, Ki-sensei. Next time on episode 27, we're leaving the hotel to explore the city by bus. Taking the local bus in Japan can be a bit of a puzzle, from boarding through the back door to figuring out the fare machine. We'll break down exactly how to navigate it without stressing out.
またね